it's over. Say it loud. Watch me turn noises into sound. You painted fairy tales on the ceiling, told me secrets that you never meant. I danced around your whispered meanings, believing every line you spent. But dawn came cutting through the glitter, and shadows shrank beneath the light. All your silver stories lost their shimmer, and I woke up ready for the fight. No tears tonight, no slow goodbyes. I'm swapping sorrow for a smile. You think you broke me, watch me rise. I'll steal your thunder, make it mine. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm stepping out of your midnight. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm burning brighter than your lights. No chains, no shame, no more disguise. I'm alive, I'm alive, I see the sun in both my eyes. I'm rising high. Watch me light the sky. I'm rising high. Watch me light the sky. You promised constellations, sold me meteors, left me holding maps with holes. I learned to read the lines between your lies, found the pulse beneath my soul. Now city lights feel like confetti, every breath a brand new sky. What you left as rubble becomes my runway, and I'm walking toward across the night. No more echoes of your stories, I rewrite the chorus of my life. You thought you drowned me in your noise, but I turned static into light. I'm alive, I'm stepping out of your midnight. I'm alive, I'm burning brighter than your lights. No chains, no shame, no more disguise. I'm alive, I see the sun in both my eyes. Rising high. What's the right sky? Rising high. What's the right sky? You were thunder, I was the calm. You were winter, now I carry warm. Every lie a lesson on my skin, every scar a map where I begin. Then sing, I'm dancing on the edges of